Welcome. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to listen audio in a Power presentation. So step 1, let's click Insert and find the audio and press it. So here. So next step is let's press audio on PC and so next step is let's press audio on PC and press the audio file you want to insert. And after that, make sure the playback is on. So here we have playback, it is on. And the next step is click the play in background and let's drag them here. So let's see if we can listen the audio. So let's start the slideshow. So we saw the success of what we did. We heard the audio in our PowerPoint presentation. So that's all the tutorial for today's video. I hope I helped you. Thank you. Bye.